Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to try to bleach the knots on this wig. So what I have are all these products here on this table. So I have my BW2 powder. That's what I am going to use to bleach these knots. I got this powder in America. From America, it was like 2 years ago. And then I ran out of developer, so now I'm just going to use the hydrogen peroxide, which I bought from the pharmacy. It's a 30 volume and it's a 9%. I also have a heavy foil here and a bowl. So I have this brush from, what is this, Sally Beauty. So I got it, yeah, I got it from Sally Beauty, and then I'm just going to use that gray bowl. So I also have the wig from Naija Beauty. So I'm just going to show you how the lace looks like, and then I'll go ahead and mix the ingredients. So this is the wig. This is how this is how the lace looks. So we're going to bleach the knot so that the inside can be a little bit scalp like, so it will look like your skin, or it looks like let me say fake skin. So yeah, this is the wig. If, as you can see here, the knots are super visible. And yeah, so we are just going to go ahead and flip the wig over. We're just going to like turn it inside out so that we have this clear, nice space to work with. So you can see the lace is not as clear as we would want it to be. It's close, but yeah. It's a ear to ear one, so we're going to work with a big area. So I hope this powder is enough. So let's just go ahead and empty the content into the bowl. So I'm just going to open it and create enough space for the powder to come out. Just pour it out in the bowl, and then yeah, let's just hope this is enough for the whole bowl. Plus, let's hope it works, because I got this like 3 years ago from America, so I don't know how good it is. So let's just go ahead now and pour in the hydrogen peroxide. Sorry guys, please ignore my crusty dusty hand. Can you see? Oh my goodness. So I'm embarrassed. I wish I could put on lotion while I've already recorded the video. Anyways, let's go ahead and just pour in the hydrogen peroxide and just stir it in. Yeah, one thing I forgot is that when I put it down, some of the hydrogen peroxide went onto my hand. I didn't really see that before, like when I was mixing, but it ended up being, you'll see how it would damage my hand or something like that. Just continue watching. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe now. That's how I grow. That's how I get a coin, So, and yeah, the mixture smells good. It smells like it's ready. It doesn't smell good. Make sure you do this in a well ventilated room. So let's just go ahead and put the paste on the lace. So we'll start with the edge, because that's where most of the styling will happen. So let's just go ahead and paste it all over. Yeah, this thing stinks, by the way. Anyways, if you haven't seen my other video of when of when I unboxed my wigs, please go ahead, check in the description. There's a video, there's a link to the video of me unboxing all these wigs. So I got it from Naija Beauty. And yeah, have you ever used hydrogen peroxide before for your wigs, or just to dye your hair? Because I heard it's actually also good to dye your hair with, if you want to bleach your hair. So you can just use that hydrogen peroxide in your hair, and just make sure you don't leave it in for too long. Yeah, so here I have to be careful not to put too much, or not to press it too much into the hair, because it will end up bleaching the hair. And if the hair is bleached, then it's vulnerable. So you have a wig that's shedding, and then you end up accusing the wig company, saying it sold you some shedding wigs while you're the one who actually damaged it. So yeah, it looks like we did it well. It looks good so far. it looks good so far. Yeah, so now I'm just going to go ahead with the foil. It's a heavy duty foil, which I'm just going to break off a small piece. Oh, it's hard. Yeah, it's a foil. I know, blah blah blah. Anyways, anyways, I'm just gonna put it on top like that. Oh my goodness, look at my crusty hand. Yeah, if you're black, you know. If you know, you know. And I'm not that type of person who goes on and put lotion and whatnot. Whatever. I'm just a crusty person by nature, so forgive me if you're offended or if you don't like it. Anyways, we'll just try to fold it in. And since I don't know how long I should leave it in, I didn't see anybody using a BW2 powder with hydrogen peroxide before, so I'm not sure how long I should leave it in. So I'm just gonna leave it here for now, and then I'll keep on checking to see how far it is, so that we don't over bleach it, or no, we don't over bleach it. So yeah, I'll just put it here for a minute. Okay, so I noticed my hand was starting to get whiter, so my skin was burnt by the, just look at that, at this, it was burnt by the hydrogen peroxide mixture. So I tried scraping it off, but it doesn't want to get off. I got so scared because at first I just heard the burning, because I mean I washed my hands, but I don't know why it didn't get off. Maybe it's because I didn't wash with strong soap or something. But yeah, it itches and my skin is so burnt, I don't even want to look at it. It's creepy, like it looks so disgusting, you know. But make sure you wear gloves when you're doing it. So let's just check, because now, whoa, it's ready. It's ready, it's ready. So I checked on my finger and it was burning, so it means this thing is fast. So I just left it on for 5 minutes. I left it on for 5 minutes. Don't do more than that, because it's going to destroy your wig. So now let's just put it in the sink and wash it. And we are going to wash it using warm water. So we are going to use hot water. This is hot water from the kettle. So I'm just going to wash it off because it's a little bit stubborn. So yeah, it's a little bit stubborn. So I'm just gonna rub it off a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm using one hand because the other hand is holding my phone, since I left what is this, my stand on the table where I was working at, because yeah, we have a small space. Anyways, now I'm going to go in with a 2-in-1 shampoo. I don't have that color whatever shampoo, so I'm just going to go in with this one. It's a shampoo and a conditioner in one. So I'm just going to rub it in, because this developer is a little bit stubborn, or this bleach is a little bit stubborn, so I have to make sure I do it so well. Anyways, I just can't stop looking at my finger. It hurt. I mean, it itches and it feels numb, like the skin is scorched. It's burnt. Like, can you see? It's all white and all that. So that's my skin. I tried scraping it off with a knife, but nope, it looks so disgusting. Anyways, this is our wig. This is our wig. Can you see how it looks? So I'm just going to rub it a little bit just to get out that excess water, so it doesn't drip everywhere on my table. And that's where I have most of my wigs. Anyways, it looks good. It looks good. It looks brown, just how I wanted it. I know you don't need to do this, especially if you can just use the powder. Okay, so this looks a little bit too burnt. It looked a little bit too bleached, but maybe it's just because it's wet and I just took it out of the water. So yeah, well, it looks good. It looks good so far. That's how I wanted it to be. So you have to be careful not to bleach the hair, because it will damage the hair. So once the hair is bleached, then it becomes fragile. But I love how it turned out. Oh, I actually love it. Seriously, I actually love how it turned out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot another video of me installing this wig. And yeah, see, I remove my hand and it's transparent. You put it in, then it takes the color of the skin you put under. So that's really good. So just make sure your wig cap is the color you want, or it's the wig cap is your scalp color, or you can use your foundation on your cap. But this looks definitely good. It looks good. I like it. Um, yeah, I think I like it. I was a little bit scared, thinking that maybe I did it too much, but doesn't look so. What do you think? Do you think I bleached it too much? Maybe you know better than me, because I know there's a lot of people who know better than me. So this is just my first time. So again, I use this hydrogen peroxide. I bought it from the pharmacy. It's a 30 volume and it's a 9%. Just make sure you wear gloves because you don't want your finger to or your hands to turn out like this. Anyways, by the time I was doing this voiceover, my hand cleared up. So my skin is clear now. Everything is gone. All that stuff is gone. So I'm safe for now. So it cleared up. I wish I could show you, but I've already shot this video and editing is not so easy, guys. So forgive me. Let's go back to the wig. I think it looks good, so I'm just gonna go in with my comb or my brush. It's called the Pretty Woman. I got it from what is this? I got it from ShopRite, so I'm just gonna take it and brush the hair before I do what? Before I bleach. I mean, before I pluck it. Anyways, I'm gonna try and put it on this mannequin head, which is gonna be a hassle because the rubber or the bend on the wig is too tight, and this mannequin is not like the other nice ones. This one is so slippery. It's just for display. So, and again, please forgive my hands. I just finished touching the bleach. Oh, look at that! Can you see the scalp? Can you see how it looks on the mannequin? I actually love it. It looks amazing. So yeah, I like it. I didn't think it was going to turn out this good, but of course I was expecting it to turn out good. Yeah, so this is the comb I was telling you about. It's from ShopRite. It's called Pretty Woman. It's really good on natural hair, but I'm going to use it just to comb down the hair and try to plucks, because this hairline looks a little bit like it's already plucked, but I'm just gonna go in because you can see the comb behind there. Otherwise, if it wasn't plucked, then it will look so bulky. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and try to, can you see the knots, guys? Can you see the knots? They look good. You know, they don't look as visible as they were before. So I'm just gonna go in with these tweezers and just try to pluck out more hair so that the hairline will look so natural or look more natural. Yeah, so I don't understand. Sometimes people are like, oh, so the wig will look like your own hair. We all know it's not your own hair. So it just doesn't look too off-putting to people, but it will never look like your own hair because you don't have straight hair. Of course, maybe if you relaxed your hair, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, if you relax your hair, it's not a big deal. I sometimes get tempted, and I'm sure I'm gonna do it again. So, but now I have this unrelaxed hair, and I'm gonna keep it that way for some time until I get tempted or until I get fed up with it. Anyways, so I'm just going in, plucking. Then I'm gonna comb and show you how much hair came off. That's the first comb. And yeah, I didn't take out that much hair because this hairline looked like it's already plucked. So I got the wig from Niger Beauty, I told you before. So if you haven't seen my unboxing video or my other wig videos, please just search through my YouTube channel, search through my channel. You'll see the videos you're looking for. There's a lot of videos. If you haven't seen, there are some of the cultural video or traditional video. I'm Vambo, by the way, Namibian. Anyways, if you are not from Namibia, there are some of the videos that you might find interesting. Please go ahead and check them out. Yeah, so, oh, come on, get up. Yeah, I hate this mannequin because it just keeps on falling. Anyways, I'm just going to go in and just show you how it turned out with a comb, like how it's gonna look like when I'm going to part it. I don't even know how I'm going to wear it yet, but we'll see. I'll shoot another video on how I decided to wear it. But it looks good. It looks good. That's what I was aiming for. Forgive me, this won't look pretty because I'm using, one hand is holding down the mannequin and the other one is trying to show you guys. Yeah, but this is it. This is how it looks. So what do you think? Do you like how it turned out? And if you're tempted to use hydrogen peroxide, I'm sure you can even use it with baking powder, so you don't need expensive bleaches. So look at that. Just look at that. I'm happy. So there you have it, people. This is how it turned out. This is how my wig turned out. So bye.